Hi, my name's Billy. I'm from Florida. I purchased an Eversafe building. Been most pleased. It's 30 by 70, has more than enough room, structurally sound. Couldn't be more happier in the engineering and installation. Guys come in, put it up in 1 to 2 days. Flawless, never had a hiccup. Use it for a business, for our archery business. I installed a lean-to on the back. I did it after the fact, called up Eversafe, told them what I was doing. They sent the stuff right out. I put all my toys and this and that, plus I have a business. I have air conditioning, lights, I have Wi-Fi, I have LED lighting all throughout. It's like daylight in there. And on this building that we have, they installed these roll-up doors. They have never had a hiccup of, they roll up, down, flawless. We do not have any water leaking in due to storms or anything that we've had. If you ever want to buy a building, buy an Eversafe.